Over here. Not a bad ride. Not a bad ride at all. Oh, here's a car. Beautiful 71 Cuda. This thing is spotless. Spotless, spotless. Battery's dead in it, so I pushed it out here. We'll get it fired up. We'll get it put in the trailer. This is beautiful. I'm pretty sure all numbers matching and blah, 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 blah. So I'm gonna get this battery swapped out and get this thing pulled out of here. 2 skids on the front. Straps get a little funky here because of these sharp edges. I tried to run them around it. So there's like 3 straps together, one on the bottom, one on the very top, and one on the middle, all at the same place. Try to put them as close as where the dunnage is to keep that dunnage tight in between the pieces. So turned out pretty good. Just gotta clean up the rest of our stuff and we're headed to Massachusetts. Well, and just like that, boom, she's ours. Hooked up, 36-foot bumper pull, which is kind of some of the confusion to start with, because that car's parked around it and I'm looking for the neck. See, they took the ramps out, everything. Took his tag off, so maybe he knew somebody was coming for it. But says it's a 2022. It's got good tires on it. They're a little chopped. Equalizers are probably worn out on it. It's got oil. It's got Velcro caps on it. Oil hubs. We just moved down the road here, so I can just kind of give it a once over, check tire pressures and whatnot. It's about an hour drive down to drop this off to the man himself. But we're just gonna do a little walk around, go in here and grab a drink, get this thing delivered. Yeah, I don't know if they just took the ramps or what, but we'll zip tie those closed probably, and then we'll get on the road. Easy work, and it's got a 9,000 pound, 12,000 pound winch on it. Oh, nice spare tire. Not a bad little trailer if you pay for it. Just trying to set my phone somewhere. See what a 1,000 horsepower cold start sounds like. On a 911 turbo. It's not crazy loud, but I think it's in I think it's in one of the different modes. We did that so it raised the front end on it too. Well, the day has finally come. We are only 2 hours away from unloading all of this, finally. All right, gotta make this kind of quick. My man's weed whacking over here. There she is, 4 chains, 4 binders. I broke the hook on that one, so I had to kind of loop it around the rub rail. But I'm gonna send a picture of this to my customer and I'm gonna start heading north. Gosh dang Wienermobile. But I am going to restrap this. I'm actually going to deliver that engine finally on Sunday. And I will see you guys tomorrow.